Open the door! Open the door! Open the door! Speed.
Yes, finally! Ang ganda-ganda na ng graphics. Ganda. Buti
Bro,
hindi
get
pa...
out! Get out!
Oh, hindi pala
Get out
baka
my face,
siren
man!
Hindi pala baka...
Siren, paano to?
Let's go.
Speedrun. Roblox yun eh.
Hindi pala baka siren kasi gumanda yung
Paano to isa? Tuminawa.
Pero na lang sila stand down. Pag maglalakad, no?
Oh.
The sixth floor. Wait lang, hintayin nyo ako. Maliligo ako ha! Mga boys,
Oh shit, si Big Top.
Sige po.
pagkatapos ko magligo, nakakailalabas.
Sino yung sumali sa atin?
Okay po.
Sino yung sumali sa atin?
Hey!
Siren! Pa!
Random person.
Pagkatapos ko, lalabas
Goofy,
lang.
random.
Uy! Siren!
Bro,
Gago sila si Stephead. Shit.
Uy, malainit pa pala.
Can I borrow?
Tinan mo, may mga bakla dito. Bigyan na yung cyber
You whip! Uy, kaya niyan, kay Arthur! I don't chill.
Arthur.
Hey, don't worry.
Farmer.
Guys, pala sila nakapilya. Oh. I want to
Saan
see.
kami mag-release?
May baong ka ba?
Yes.
Ano ba?
Bakit?
Oh! Your mama is so fat!
Imagine na ganito.
Imagine
Imagine na ganito sa'yo. Imagine na ganito.
You need to clear
May rabol eh.
Here you go. Triceratops.
No.
O sa rhino.
No.
Click bro, everything.
Up here.
I did not.
Ow, Shuma! Why are you doing that?
Oh, bro is dead.
Oh, I was spamming
Wait,
you,
let's
bro.
make a sound.
Oh,
Bro
wait.
is dead.
Nire-record ako.
Naka-live ka talaga, Siren? Oh my god.
This guy is hiding behind the door again, bro.
Sasabihin mo ko. Uy, may nag-google dito oh. Google ko kay ano to.
Anong number? Ay, wait lang, may...
Can I shower in 6 days? Can I shower in 6? Can I not shower in 6 days? Sino nag-ano nito?
Bro, what kind of computer are these? Ano gagawin?
Ito. Okay,
Anong gagawin mo?
What the fuck? May nagdo-drawing dito ng ng porn art.
Anong gagawin na?
Hanapin mo yung code.
Saan pagkita? Hindi ko nakita.
Oh, shit!
Hindi ko nakita. Hindi ko nakita, Gian.
That's his save, What the fuck?
Nasaan na kayo?
Teka lang.
Yo, close the damn door, bro.
Can you please open the door?
No, don't go in here, bro. Don't get in here.
Okay.
Are you distracting?
Mari,
I
Hachi.
saved.
What the fuck? How did that save me?
Ano nangyari?
Can you please open the door?
I don't know, man. Sorry. No, I need to
Try
boost that
6, 7,
game.
6,
Okay, I guess you just don't look at them.
6, 7, 6, 7.
Paano mahanap mo
Go.
dito?
Shit.
Paano
Kapag
mahanap?
gumana to bakla, hindi bakla siren. Kapag dito gumana bakla siren.
6, 7, 6.
6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6.
Paano malaman kung... Yeah.
7,
Paano ma...
7, 6, 7.
I'm coming.
Hindi ko maana.
Ibig sabihin bakla siren. Di na makakatawa!
Get out!
Bro, it has jump
Get
scare.
me out! Get me out!
Ah!
Siren help. I lag.
Namatay ka.
Nasa loob na ako ng wall. I'm inside the wall.
I know, bro. I know.
Stuck.
You're inside the
Bro,
boat.
you're stupid.
Yes. Help.
So, anong gagawin dito?
Hanapin mo yung code.
This is a wall.
Paano?
Hanap ka ng numbers.
Alright, oh.
Kasi susulat mo.
Paano?
Oh, this is a
Paano?
Hanapin mo kasi.
Oh! Stupid.
Ba't mag-respawn ka naman eh?
Bro, nasan kayo? Tulungan niyo naman ako.
Ah!
Ako sunod niyan.
Because you're crossbreeding.
Ano magagawin dito?
Jetro, ano ba?
Hanapin mo yung code. Shit. Paano code ah?
Maghanap kayo ng code. Sa 6th floor.
I'm going to leave.
You're on.
Rodo,
Can I
if you leave, you're gay.
Siren! Siren!
No! No!
Uy, Siren!
I'm safe here. I'm safe.
Siren crossbreeding.
Wala dito. So, bro, why she's jump scaring?
Oh, Arthur, oh, sinisira niya yung gamit mo.
What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that?
Sa pakita mo, Arthur.
What the fuck is that?
it.
Oy, may nagro-Roblox! Si Kokoda.
Ha?
Oy, may nagro-Roblox! Bro, summon yun.
Gian nga. Ano ba?
Naglalaro sa Roblox. Oh my God! Oh my God!
ng Roblox sa Roblox.
I'm playing Roblox on Roblox.
Someone's playing Roblox.
Ano nakalagay dito?
I'm playing editing at Roblox.
Bros editing. Ano ba yung kailangan hanapin? Oh, I got paid. Okay. Yo, watch someone watching anime here. Yo, someone... Paano ba hanapin?
Nagulat ko si Wayne. Sabi ko lang.
Yes.
Ako nga maglalaro.
Siren! Siren! Oh no! Oh no!
Ay, mo ba ito?
Siren, can you please play build anything?
Tulong!
Bro, I don't know this game.
Tulong!
Ano ngayon pa yung run, ha? Kapag
What the hell? What the hell? Stop.
points na.
What the hell?
Ah! Get around! Ah! Ah!
Wait, I have an idea. A very small one.
Ah!
Let's just run all the way upstairs.
I'm going to leave. I'm going to leave this place.
I'm stuck.
I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
Sabi ni Arthur. Sabi niya, sumising hot.
Stupid.
Pag hindi gumana yung 6, bitch.
Huh?
676767.
Bro. Ano ba yan? Wait, may idea ko. One. Okay, one computer. One.
No!
Okay, one.
7.
Alam ko na yata yung code. Wait
I
lang.
see.
Ano yung mic na yan?
Ba't nakuha ko nito bakla siren?
I see
Ano yung mic na yan?
storage room code.
Ayun ah.
Ito ba yung ginagawa?
This the fucking minute.
1574. Huh? Wait lang. Bibilangan mo yata ilang ilang computer ilang open ng computer? 1, 2. 1 na. Okay, may 1 na. May yung starting number niya 1 na. 1 na isa 1 na. Tapos 1 1 1 na. 1 na.
1-1.
Wag. I got this, bro. Oy!
1-1.
Naka-record ako, guys, oh. Go. Okay, 1. Wag lang, 1. Wala, ni-record mo kami, ha? 1 na. Wait lang. 2.
Alam ko na.
Try ko solo.
1, 2. Okay. Ano na, punta na ako sa 4th. Wag mo. Hello. Wisit! Ano ba yan?
1-1-2. Okay.
Wait lang, ilan na lang makailangan? Diba 6? 1, 1, 2. Okay, 4th. Punta lang ang 4th. Punta lang ang 4th.
Pinataya ko. Bro, stupid.
How do you...
next. Where's the food?
1, 1, 1,
1-1-2.
1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2.
I'm kinda used to this game.
1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2.
Run! Everyone! Everybody run! Everybody!
Run!